Hey guys, today I'll be doing a gun review, brand new airsoft gun, and I just got it the other day and I think it's so cool. It's so realistic and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So here we go. So this is the gun itself. It is currently not ready to shoot, but it is very realistic. It's got all the normal features. It has finger release. It's got the safety there. It's got the pullback mechanism to shoot, and it's, see that down the middle there, it's just so I'll be showing you how good my aim is and plenty, a few more bits and bats. So let's get into it. And one more thing, the gun takes 6mm plastic BBs. I'm not gonna say plastic balls. I'm gonna say plastic BBs. So I'm gonna need to put you here. Sorry guys, please excuse my room. I'm a kid and I really don't have time cleaning my room because it's time consuming and I don't like taking time. So this is everything what it's going to look like at the start, because I've already had a couple shots at it, and yeah, look, it looks good in your hand. It's very powerful, and to show you for extra oopsie daisies. Anyways, to just to be careful and show you how powerful this is, I will be shooting at this from here like this. Ready? On your marks. Set. Fire and hold. Oh, it was a headshot! It was a headshot! GG's. W's in the... Everyone's had W's in the shots. W's. Spam W's. Everyone spam W's. Look. Right there. Spam the W's. Spam the W's there. See that? Spam the W's. Spam. All of you need to spam. Spam W's. Look. Right here. See that? That is not normal. That is not normal. That is not something a Nerf can would do. Ready? Okay. And that is all I will be showing you today. Okay? And I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.